So I get asked many, many times what the difference is between RP and Standard British. So received pronunciation is what has been taught, received. You receive the accent. So a long, long time ago, when people were taught how to talk, they received this particular type of pronunciation. And you'll find that these days it's more the upper classes or the Queen. The Queen talks like this still. And frightfully posh people. And then you've got people like me that speak Standard British. And I've called this Standard British because I'm an accent teacher. So I have named this accent Standard British. I'm sure people from Liverpool and Devon and Essex and other parts of England don't consider this to be Standard British because they might consider their own accent to be Standard British. But because I teach accents, I had to name the accent. So I've named this accent Standard British because it's from the south and it's just very meh. It's not like Scouse, which is like, you know, it's got a flavour to it. Devonshire, like, it's got that flavour to it as well. But yeah, so that's the difference between Standard British and British RP.